Hello, it's Rose again. Just wanted to hop on and share a little bit about some of my favorite cleaning products and laundry line. So we have some of the best products and they're so easy to use. You get so much out of them. This is the laundry liquid and it comes with the pump dispenser. This is pink cotton, really good. My favorite is actually the Scentsy Clean scent, but I also love mixing and matching sometimes. So I've got laundry liquid. This, you only need about 2 to 3 pumps for a small load, 3 to 4 pumps for a large load. Actually, I think it's even less than that. 2 for small, 3 for medium, and 4 for a large load. So a little goes a long way. These last a long time. Then you've got your Scentsy Soft. So this just adds more fragrance, more softness, helps with static. And as you can see, this is a huge container. Again, it comes with the pump dispenser on there. And then next we have our washer whiffs. Again, huge tub of this, Scentsy Clean, my favorite. And you only need about 1 scoop out of this whole thing, 1 scoop. So this again lasts you a long time. You can add more if you need more of the scent, completely up to you. But our washer whiffs also come in a smaller option and you can bundle and save the smaller ones too. Last up are our dryer discs. So these you just toss into your dryer. In the box you get actually, so it comes in a box and you get 2 in a pack. You can throw 1 in there, you can throw 2 in there. But these, again, you can mix and match if you want, but I like to stick to the same scent as far as my disc and my washer whiffs go, because it just adds that extra punch. All of our laundry stuff too, you can get in a bundle, so make sure to check out the bundle option on the website. So for cleaning, we've got our concentrate, Squeeze the Day, my favorite scent. Again, huge bottle. This lasts forever. You can use it on anything and everything, floors, put it in your spray bottles, highly concentrated. This stuff is amazing. Bathroom cleaner. I use the bathroom cleaner on my kitchen counters as well though. This actually has like a degreasing breakdown of germs and all that kind of stuff in it. So I love using this on my counter as well, even though it's a bathroom cleaner. Following using the bathroom cleaner on my counters, I do use my counter clean. Right now, I've got my peppermint one just because I'm using, it's what's open before I can open my new Squeeze the Day one. So Perfect Peppermint is what I have right now. And then our dish soap. So fun fact, when you're done with your, actually I like taking the ones from the Scent Soft. When you're done with those, you can take the pump and use it on your dish soap bottle. This does not come with the pump. I used it for my laundry line and added it on there. And it makes it just super easy to set it on your sink and use that up. So that's all of our laundry and cleaning. And again, if you have any questions, just feel to ask me. I'm here to answer any questions and I hope that helps you. And so yeah, check out the cleaning and the laundry line that's on the website. Also go to the bundles and save option because you can bundle these products together to save you more money since you're gonna need to stock up on them anyway. Have a great day.